Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add Trello to Slack. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to both Trello and Slack as an example. So you'll need to go to Trello.com as well as Slack.com and make sure to log in into your both accounts. If you have an account and if you don't, you'll have to go and create a new account. Of course, you can use like a lot of tools like Google, Microsoft, Apple, if you don't want to get through all the bonus steps of logging in or even creating your account. So, an example here, I'm using Google in both. So, I will be logged in both Trello and Slack. So, as you can see, now I'm logged in. As an example, let's just go here and open this workspace specifically. So, how can we simply connect or add Trello to Slack? So, let me just wait for this as an example. Yeah, I want to use this in the browser. So, use in the browser. And yeah, here we are. So in here, all you need to do is just go to this list panel, apps, go and click on add apps. And here, of course, you'll have to look for the Trello app. So just go and look for Trello. As you can see, you'll find this right away. Click on add. And once you click on add, you will come here to the Slack marketplace. As you can see, click on add to Slack again, to this workspace as an example. And then, as you can see, it will be simply added right away. Of course, you can now, as an example, invite some workspace members, change like the visibility. Slack workspace, as an example, Lincoln. If you want to add it to Slack here, you'll be able to add it. You'll be able to upgrade to use more premium stuff, as an example. So here, as you can see, you'll have to see all of that. Click on allow, and the connection should be established as an example. So yeah, as you can see, you read all of that, and if you agree to it again, click on allow again and you should be good to go. As you can see, this workspace of mine is added to Trello and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.